Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to add a dotted stroke in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already inserted this text. Click the text, then click the pen tool, right click, use pen tool. I do not use fill. Stroke color. I use stroke color example red. Click dotted line. Then press enter. Then hold shift, again hold shift, again hold shift, hold shift. Change the size or this dotted line. That's it. Press Ctrl T, hold shift, hold Ctrl, align middle. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.